In the land of Canaan, young Joseph was favored by his father. His brothers, consumed by jealousy, plotted against him. One day they seized Joseph and threw him into a deep well. Trapped and alone, Joseph cried out to God in despair, but the Lord had not abandoned him. Passing merchants heard his pleas and pulled him from the depths. Though sold into slavery, Joseph's faith remained unshaken. Through trials and triumphs, God's hand guided Joseph's path. He rose from prisoner to prince, saving Egypt and his family from famine. Years later, Joseph embraced his brothers, saying, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good." This story reminds us that even in our darkest moments, God can turn adversity into blessing. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring biblical tales. May God's wisdom guide your journey.